Electricity, the invisible force that powers our world. But not all electricity is the same. Some currents march in one single direction and it is steady and predictable. That is the DC, means direct current. It flows like a river that never turns back, used in batteries, phones, and small electronic devices. But then there is another kind of current, a current that does not move straight. It oscillates. It swings back and forth, changing its direction many times every second. This is the AC, or the alternating current. DC flows in one fixed direction. AC keeps changing direction continuously. DC is calm and steady. AC is dynamic, powerful, and can travel longer distance, making it perfect for our houses. Now, the most important point that most of the teachers even don't know, that is, actually in alternating current, the electrons are not moving. Yes, you heard it right. In direct current, the electrons are moving from one place to another, and hence energy loss is there and cannot be transferred to longer distance. But alternating current can be transferred over longer distance. The reason is, let me show you with this video. You can see on the screen that there are electrons in this direct current, and when they move, they counter collision and energy loss. But in alternating current, what happens actually, there is a wire in front of you. In that wire, the electrons move back and forth, means the electrons never moved from its position. It just oscillates in its mean position, and due to its oscillation, means electricity is getting produced, means without moving the electrons I'm producing electricity, and hence it can be transferred over longer distance. There is very minute loss, very less energy loss in this. So that's why it's a very important term that even teachers don't know.